What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here with some dope circles in this video. We want to determine the measure of all the missing arcs and angles. Anything on here that we don't know from our given, we're going to figure it all out, okay? So first one here, we have arc. The measure of arc AC, which is this arc right down here, is 100 degrees. I'll go ahead and label that 100 degrees. And I also have arc BC, which is this guy right here. That's going to be 90 degrees. So I'll say 90 degrees. You can label that on the outside or on the inside. I just don't have the room on the outside, so I went inside the circle. So what else can we get from this? Well, I know there's 360 degrees in an entire circle, right? So I know 100's accounted for here, 90's accounted for here. That's 190 degrees. So if I took 360 and I subtracted 190, I'd get 170, which would be for this arc right up here, 170 degrees. That's for arc AB. There we go. We got one of the arcs, but we got to find this angle A right here, and then we've taken care of everything in this circle that we've been asked for, right? By the way, this is circle D. It's important to know where the center of the circle is, which is right there. All right, back to it. So angle A, how the heck am I going to figure that out? Well, this angle A, the vertex is on the circle. This is called an inscribed angle because it's inscribed in the circle, right? Its vertex is on the circle there. It is half the measure of the intercepted arc. Since A stems out to B and C, so when we form this angle from A to B and C, it intercepts this arc right here. It's half that measure, which makes it 45 degrees. Cool. If I knew this one, I could just double this angle and I could get my intercepted arc. But again, it has to be the arc that the angle intercepts. So if we start at the vertex and we just follow our rays or segments or whatever you want to think of them as that make that angle, boom, hits right here and here. BC is my intercepted arc. All right, enough on that. Let's get to the next problem over here. Let's go with, how about blue for this one? So we've got circle E. Okay, so that's the center there. And we've got AEB is 80 degrees. Angle AEB is 80. Okay, so it's a central angle. It's important. BEC, that's 140 degrees, so 140. We got to figure everything else out. So I've got to figure out these two angles and all of my arcs here, all four of those arcs for this particular circle. So let's finish the central angles here. This right here is a straight line through the center, which is called our diameter of the circle, right? Only halfway from like A to E, or from B to E, or C to E, or D to E, from the edge of the circle, anywhere on the edge of the circle, to the center, that's a radius, right? But if it's all the way through it, that right there is a diameter. Okay, so this is a semicircle. It's a half a circle, which is 180 degrees. So if I took 180 and I subtracted 140, I'd get myself 40 degrees right here. And if I took 180 and I subtract 80, I'd get angle AED right here. So it's going to be 100 degrees. What should all four of those add up to? 360, and they absolutely do. 100 plus 80 is 180. 140 plus 40 is 180. Add that together, we get 360. Beautiful. All right, now all my arcs. And guess what? The arcs equal the central angle. Okay, so this central angle here intercepts at A and B. So arc AB is 80 degrees. It's a terrible 8. All right. Arc BC right here is intercepted by angle BEC. So this angle that's 140 intercepts arc BC. So this is 140 degrees. Then we got 40 degrees here. So this guy's 40 degrees. And this one's 100 degrees. Excellent. All right. So the central angle matches or equals the arc that it intercepts, right? Central angles equal the arc that it intercepts. On angles, as some call it, or inscribed angles, right? Because their vertex is on that circle. Those are equal to half the measure of the arc that they intercept. So that's why this one was 45 and not 90. All right, there we go. That's pretty awesome for circles. More videos on circles coming your way, so make sure that you guys follow along there, like, subscribe, and all those fun things. And have a great day.